score natin 53-40. 13-point lead. May patubig.
Number 29. Number 29 pa rin. Lord! Lagot pa rin jersey number. Number 19. Lagot pa rin. Lagot pa rin. Lagot pa rin. Lagot pa rin. Ay, wala na. Number 0. Number 0. Lagot pa rin. Number 29. Nagmamadali. Number 29. Government is in. Lagot pa rin. Number 19. It's Primo. Fix. Good for the number 19. Thanks, number 4 minutes to play. Number 3, that's jersey number 0. Number 0, number pa rin. Number 11, number 11, number 11. Pass to jersey number 19. Number 19, face. Number 19, face again. Let's get it. Power move by jersey number 19. Time out.
Score, Bunso.
44-50.
Pag magta-time out po, lapit po kayo dito ha. Para po nakikita rin namin, nabasal namin agad. 3 minutes and 37 seconds left. Para sa ating third quarter. Well, pag magta-time out, palapitin nyo rito ha. Para nalalaman din namin. Huwag niyo po magbigan pag nandun lang sa bench. Thank you po. Apo, dito lang po. That's it about game time. Remaining 3 minutes and 37 seconds left. 3 minutes and 37 seconds left. Number 0. Number 0. 49. Pass version number 24. Pass version number 11. Number 11. Mali pala sa pinagawa pala yun. Sorry. Number 11. Number 11. Pass jersey number 20, still by jersey number 24. Pass jersey number 50, pass jersey number 24. Number jersey number 0. Number 0. Number 29. Crossover. Number 29, pass jersey number 11, pass jersey number 8. No good. Number 24. Pass jersey number 11, not good. Nakuha ni jersey number 15 behind his back. Nakuha jersey number 11, pass jersey number 29. Number 29. Nakuha jersey number 9. Number 19. Nice steal jersey number 15. Number 15, lays it up, not good. Nakuha niya pa rin. Basket down. Para kay jersey number 15. Foul jersey number 29. Second personal foul, second team foul, Sabrek. Pasok, pasok, pasok.